Yeah, no, it's my internet. Far away from the city, so like my internet is really bad. Well, internet. Even in our modern times, we can't get rid of the troubles, can we? The one thing I fear about streaming, it's not having 0 viewers, because I can simply put all of this on the channel, and the people of the future who have the time and just encounter my stuff at their time, they can look that up. So 0 viewers is not a fear. It's not a fear to, I don't know, license stuff, because I take good care, so there shouldn't be any license problems around. No, the one fear I have is my silly little internet, because for some reasons, and luckily it's in the middle of the night, at times where I shouldn't stream at all, but it just, my internet disappears for a few minutes, like, I don't know, 15 minutes, maybe up to half an hour, where my router just goes red and nothing comes through. Like, no internet at all. Then I wait and it's back. And usually I can just wait it out, no problem at all. But if this would happen with a stream, I would panic. Because I'm just getting the hang of it. I'm much more confident, slightly, than I was last time with that core. But still, if something new, unexpected happens, the first time something unexpected happens, I will get I would get a breakdown. I would be nervous as hell. But I think once I've been through everything once, everything should be fine and I can manage. Even bad internet. Wait, if I remember right, doesn't Twitch have like a specific screen I can put up somewhere where it says stream down for a moment, wait a few minutes? I know I have my offline stream, like come back when I stream. I know that one, but is there an emergency one? I'm pretty sure there is. Oh wow, that gun turrets are quick. Look at that progress bar. I'd love to see it. Okay, okay, now we can think about speeding things up. Right now we don't need to, so I would much rather first have a defensive line that we can build up. And from there, once the defensive line... Ooh, copper ore already at 1,000. Simply because I don't usually need that much copper. Once we have the defensive line, or just the raiders and getting rid of this tribe here, once that's done, we can expand. Like, we have all the space over here for the smelting. So we have one iron line that is continuously going. Same for copper, of course. We can start... Oh, I need another cheap solution. Did I click? Wait, oh, wait. Oh, I just realized. I have a few expressions. I'm not used to using them on Tay so far. And I went into the wide eyes. Yeah, my key binding is silly though. Oh, my key binding is silly because my HUD is growing and shrinking. Ah, I have to rebind that. I gotta remember that tomorrow. All right, do we need something else at the moment? Walls. I would say we do walls, and then we do the walls and the turrets, and once that is in, we can do a little bit of side research. For those of you who don't know, who skipped or just joined in right now, I'm playing with a few mods. We don't have a full mod pack going on, but we do have these basic endless research things, because I really wanted to try out the far reach. I'm usually playing with a mod far reach that gives you all the reach at the beginning, but I want to see how effective this one is. But for now, stone wall. And for stone wool, we need a smelting going. So... okay, here's the idea. We're getting an electric mining drill and do a small furnace setup like we did with the iron. Do I walk or do I craft? I walk. Maybe some walking speed as well, so I can always take some conveyor belts. Alrighty. Okay, 100 conveyor belts. I pressed Alt, and I realized that is very bad. I use Alt for a lot of things, as I do with the expressions. Maybe I have to rethink my key bindings. I want to be a little bit more expressionate around here. Like I set up some of them, like the happy mood, the angry mood, even the disgusted mood, which I hope I won't need ever, because you people know how to behave. I want to be proud of you. Okay, we're doing the same here again. We want coal on the outer side. And we're gonna bring down the coal. Oh yeah, right. Not for the miner, but for the furnace. Actually, let's do it the pretty way. And we already got these. So basic reach. There we go. Okay, we've got coal, we've got stone. And they will come together here. Like this. Ah! Okay, that's our furnace line. Then we need a furnace, of course. Which I set down here. And we kind of do the same we did with the iron and the copper. And connect up everything we've got. Whoops. There we go. Okay, now we have automatic bricks. And from there I would do a very, very cheap and simple setup that won't stay. Don't worry. We do a little bit spaghetti here. A little bit Factorio spaghetti that everyone's used to, but only for the beginning stuff. Once we need more of these things, we will of course get more, but for now I just want the walls. And of course, both of these need electricity and a chest. Is it still in range? It's still in range, okay. Oh! I haven't used long inserters for so long. I actually forgot immediately after I talked about them that I have the... Do I limit this? No. I won't limit the wall. What I do though is build another smelter so we have walls and bricks going on at the same time. Because I will need some bricks either for pathing, which I like a lot, or for other crafting recipes. Oops. What do I need? Iron. Iron. Do I have a cheap way to get iron quickly? I do. Anyways, I just wrote out the video. If it's okay to just paste it here. I mean, if it's a video, just paste the title if you want. If you want to share with the other person in chat. I don't have the chat in the game window active for my streams. That's usually in the talk window. So, I mean, you can, but it won't really have an effect, if you know what I mean. It won't really do any... Oh, no, this one doesn't go out. It wouldn't really do much. Actually, the first one keeps its stuff and the second one spits out. That's the way to go. Oh, and now comes the funny part. Where do I want the wall to go through? Do I have radars? I do! Oh! No, then in that case, let's get the radar down first. How much energy do I have? Should be enough for at least one radar. Then we get some idea what the surrounding areas are, and from there I can check where we need the walls. We do have them now, they're automated. Reduce radar with value 1. Where do I want to put it down? I would say around here because that's kind of the main hub at the moment. It's okay, it's some area here. Does it increase the radius of everything here though? I forgot how radars work, I haven't used them in so long. I was pretty sure that it shows more of the map. But seems like I will have to go exploring for that. Oh well. Okay, while this is going, I can make myself some light armor, of course. And put down a chest next to the radar, because... Here, an easy to see chest where we can put our simple stuff. Where is... Oh, I had no armor before, that's why. Ah, okay, understood. And now while basic is researching, I can completely concentrate on... Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. No, let's don't. Wait. Can you repeat if that's a yes? Like I said, you can post the video title if you want, but there are 2 viewers right now. Hello to the other person. So that will be the only person seeing that. As I was saying, there's I'm gonna upload my stuff usually on YouTube, but the chat isn't visible right now. So you can share the video title, yes, but it won't have any effect. It won't do anything, my friend. No, wait. You can see the chat in the VODs, can you? But then again, the VODs are only there for a limited time. A VOD on Twitch is deleted within 7... I think it's still 14, and at the end of the month it was switched to 7 days, after which VOD is deleted here. I usually grab them as soon as the stream is done and post the raw video, so without any chat or whatever, edit it for YouTube. Let's take some more. Okay, I would need a lot of stuff, so let's take a lot of stuff. Ooh, I can actually take care of the... Okay, it seems like we do need a little bit more of copper. So let's do that. 3 should be enough. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. And through here. Okay, that should be enough now. And what am I... Oh, right. Do we have blueprints already? I know that I can't use them. We don't have bots, but can I create them? How... Blueprints changed after a while. I still remember the first time I used them, but I don't remember how the new system works. And we don't have them. Is it something you have to research? Huh? Is it? I'm gonna check it in a second. Okay, this one is on pause as well, so we can grab from here. And in the meantime... Okay, we can't enable this blueprints from down here. Only the new task thing. Do you only get blueprints with the bots? I thought that's something you have from the beginning. I swear, I promise, I know Factorio. I've played it a lot. But it seems like my wisdom is limited. Highly limited. Okay, let's throw in at least one more of the drills. Because this won't be enough for long. Around here this should be enough. There we go. It's not much, but it's something. What do I need? I need a lot more iron. If this continues to spike, I will leave 2 furnaces empty. Oh, but the iron is going. Okay, the iron is not a problem anymore. What I can actually do? No, you know what? Instead of doing that, I'm gonna... We're gonna expand. We're gonna improve this. I've decided we're gonna improve now. With a second line of this, and like I said, I always forget I have these. I'm not used to the long-handed inserters anymore, but now that I remember I got them, I can put them here. With the perfect... with the perfect amount. And we can run the coal on this thing. For this, Yep, everything's on pause. Give it a moment. We're gonna route the energy down here. Okay, this should be safe. Yeah, too far away, too far away, too far away. This won't be a problem for too long. We're researching basic reach. I can't live with that. How do I get the coal over here? I'll have to try something. But first, I'm gonna get rid of those poles. And now let's see how long these are. 5. 5 is not enough. Nope, 5 is so not enough. What I can do though is get them up here. And a second one. Although, I don't think I need a second one. I just... like this. And this is where the coal would go. I'm gonna have to change this, but now that I have a specific coal line, I don't need this complicated setup here. That's quite helpful. But I only change it once I have the coal flowing. So the first thing we want to do is get the coal in. No, the first thing we want to do is get rid of these. Simple renovations. Okay, everything's connected? Good. Okay, so... Okay, this looks silly, I know, but we're gonna change it in just a second. I just want it to work for now. This will be streamlined, so we will have a second coal line going here. For now, though, we have a functional coal line, which means that we can connect it to all the other pieces around. Do I have enough of that? Do I have enough belts? I don't. Oh, wonderful. I don't think I need to pick this up. I'm not going to war just yet. In good time, don't worry, but not yet. Okay, now it comes up there, goes around, goes in here, so we don't need this one anymore. And the coal goes in here. Doesn't need to go down anymore. So I can get rid of everything here and make it pretty. Make it pretty is good. Wait. I still need to split it. Like this. There we go. Now we've got 2 coal. I can always have a second coal line for the copper, but honestly, let's go step by step for now, okay? And okay, these will be. We are gonna use up all the coal from the bottom line, okay? Naturally, that means there will be one point where we have no production going. And that's where we place the long-handed inserters again. Right now, we won't have any input of coal on the bottom line here. The copper continuously gets more coal, and the iron will use up all of the coal that is still on the first line. Once that's used up, we can include the second line. Alrighty. Now we can improve over here, because this is the coal line that will go down. Let's connect everything up and put this one in here as well. Which means now that I turn it, everything should continue like usual. Even if it looks a little bit funky, but I'm not gonna change that for now. Okay. The thing is, we don't need to split here anymore because only iron comes in and only iron should go out here. The coal will continue to split down to the stone. And everything's pretty. Though, honestly, we need more coal. Now we've got three things: stone, copper, and iron. That eat up a lot of coal, so a second mining drill would be just the thing I need. Now, what's the energy? I'm gonna have to take care of energy in just a bit. How many watts do I have? Yeah, that's about right. Let's take some of these for crafting recipes and a few watts for simple layout. In case I need it. Okay, everything that's here can be improved. But in terms of design, so far it's pretty good. Now we can continue on with the copper, where we can do the same. So, and the reason why the... Oops. Where? The reason why I want the coal on the bottom part is because later on, the furnaces won't need coal, but they will need copper ore. So we do want the coal to go down here. like that. We can improve the design later on. I don't want to change it too drastically right now, so this is the best I want to do right now. Okay, now it only has to get rid of all the coal in the system, after which we can take care of it again. And you know how it is, once you're done with one direction, the next one just comes in. And we can improve this design. Now, how would I want to improve that design? I would say with a line that goes to the side here. Wait, something I want to check quickly. Which is... These need 0.5 seconds of crafting time, and these need 5.5. No, wait, no, 5. Total raw. 5 seconds crafting time, and... I forgot how many you need. The way I remember it is 1 of these for 2 of these. They need 1 iron gear wheel for each. Let's do semi spaghetti. Okay, the way I want to do it is by... Okay, these ones will output our research packs. This will be the research line. And then we do something silly. That's a general design I usually do. 1, 2, 3, 3 or 5. 3 is enough. It's a really... Oh wait, that's no, it's okay. It's okay. It is a really silly design. I know. You may like me for it, you will cringe for it, I don't know. It's how I played the game for so long. It's I couldn't change even if I want to. I know that we can basically place the iron gear wheel right next to these and have a very smooth layout, but I want the 2-column layout, which is 1 column for the research pack and 1 column for the gears. This is what I meant with pseudo bus, because in a way this is kind of a bus if you would go this way along with all the materials. The way I do it right now though is just feed these in here. And the way I want to do that is... Oh, I didn't bring many materials. Whoopsie. This one grabs from the back. This one grabs the front. The front will be the gear. And it will output onto the belt. That's the idea. Now we just have to route everything else in here. Like this has to go underneath. Like this. So the first resource comes in, and here's where the iron goes. Which we can route in from the top here, if we so wish. It means I can take away all of these things. Okay, research is paused for a second. Oops.